What is up, YouTube? This is Zach with Dream Media Home Theater. If you guys are not a subscriber already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up on this video. Today, I have something very special for you. If you guys are a home theater enthusiast, you are going to love this product right here. This is from AudioControl, and this is the Maestro X9, their flagship processor. If you're wanting Dolby Atmos, DTS, IMAX Enhanced, all the goodies. This has audiophile DACs in it. I mean, top-notch audiophile processor. This is a great choice. I'm gonna be opening it up today, but you guys gotta subscribe to the channel down below because we're gonna be doing a variety of different videos, whether it's installation videos, setup videos, all that good stuff on this product. I'm really excited to offer this to you guys. We also carry all their amplifiers, the Savoy, Avalon, all those goodies that will pair perfectly with this made in America product. This is top quality gear here, guys. If you would like to purchase this product, make sure to reach out and show your support. We have nationwide free shipping and the lowest price guaranteed. Also, make sure to ask about our preferred installer network. We have a really extensive network that we're building up throughout the country with all of the guys that believe in 5-star service. Just like our reputation online, you'll see that we really care about our clients and we're working on bringing on installers that believe in providing that same 5-star work. All right, guys, enough talk. Let's open this bad boy up. All right, let's get into this unboxing. You guys are gonna see that it's just a brown box, and the reason is because Dream Media, we have been for at least the last 6 months now, double packing all of our boxes, no matter where they're going, just because we've had so many products damaged in shipping. Now, if a product does get damaged in shipping, I want you guys to know that we insure all of our packages and we'll get you out a new one right away. So really cover our customers from start to finish. Now, this is not a cheap product, as you guys know. You're looking at, I think retail's like 9,600 bucks on this. Again, we guarantee the lowest price with free shipping. So reach out and ask one of our audio video consultants if this is the right product for you. We have a lot of choices, guys, so there's definitely something that we can find within your budget and something that fits your exact space. Home theater can be very complicated and overwhelming, honestly. So you want to ask our specialist. You know, we're happy to help, guys. All we ask is that you buy from us. Okay, this is for those who consider perfection possible. I love that slogan. I'm gonna go ahead and pull it out so you guys can see a little more. Now, if you're wanting the same like build quality that AudioControl has, but maybe you don't want to do separates because of cost, or maybe you just don't have the space for, you know, a whole rack, they do make a receiver. So you don't have to do the XLR connections between this and the amps. But if you're really wanting the best experience long term, separates is the way to go, because those amplifiers that you purchase from AudioControl, or anybody for that fact, it's going to last you for life. Quality amps never really go out of style, you know, but the processor, this unit here, you will need to upgrade every so often. This does have HDMI 2.0B, so it's gonna pass the full native 4K signal, and at the same time, it has DHCP 2.2. So the latest and greatest. This is a next generation receiver here, or not receiver, processor. First thing you're gonna see here is a little quick start guide. I do wanna mention that we are an authorized reseller of AudioControl. We're proud of that, and you're gonna get that full manufacturer warranty whenever you purchase from Dream Media. You gotta be careful when you're buying on the internet, guys. You don't want something to happen to your product and it not be covered. Now, they do have a model down, the Maestro X7 as well. This is the 9, the flagship model. Let's see here. Got a little goodie bag here. Oh, this is cool. So if you ever need to update the firmware, they include a USB right here that's ready to go for you. Pro tip, leave it in the unit so you'll have it every time. You got a link cable, you got a power cable. I believe this is for calibration. And you got an AM/FM antenna. You got little Bluetooth Wi-Fi ears here. Yeah, I believe this is going to be for your calibration, but I'll check it out here in just a minute. Again, guys, this is just the unboxing, so this is first impressions. This is the remote that comes with the unit. Let me get you guys some light here. Batteries are included with the remote. A couple other things, guys, is this unit does have Direct Live, which Direct Live is known in the industry as the best calibration software that you can get right now. They've won a lot of awards at the trade shows that we go to because of this product here. I think there were some awards at like CES as well as CEDIA. Unfortunately, those aren't going on anymore. Whew. This thing's a monster. Man, this thing would look good in a rack. Preamp processor. Woo, man. Okay, I got the unit plugged in. I'm going to go ahead and power it on so you guys can see the interface here. Ooh, I like all the blue lines. Looks cool. Very nice. Sweet. This thing looks awesome. Now I do want to mention to you guys that we are a dealer for Claris and tributary cabling. So if you need like really high-end cabling to maximize the potential of your system when purchasing a product like this, Claris makes some really nice speaker cable. This is going to be for your amplifier though. This is the type of cable that you're going to utilize for your processor. This is called an XLR cable. You can see these Claris Crimson cables that I have here are top quality. I'll show you how it plugs in here on the rear. Tributaries is another brand that we carry, and it's actually the same company, just they're more entry level. But look at the fit and finish of that. It's very premium. And then the other end, this end would go into your amplifier, and you would do that on all 16. Very, very nice product. If you're getting into high fidelity, everybody in the industry agrees that these Claris cables are the best you can buy. And you can have them for life. XLR cables and speaker cables, technology doesn't really change on them. Alright guys, well we're about done with this unboxing. One other thing that I noticed, not a whole lot to look at, but they do have rack mount ears for this that would go right here on the front of the unit so that you can bolt it into your rack for a cleaner installation. A lot of our clients put these in racks. It just looks so much better, and it also improves airflow and keeps everything lasting a long time. Plus you can do really nice wire management on it. If you guys haven't seen the Strong FS series rack, they also make a couple other series, but the Strong FS series rack is one of our best sellers. It comes to your door fully assembled with all the shelves and a nice glass door, fans, everything built in. So that just goes to show, you know, another product that we have you covered on pretty much everything, whether it's power conditioning or high-end cabling, the rack, projectors, screens, anything that you guys need, we have you covered with the industry-leading products and the guaranteed lowest prices. All right, guys, that does conclude my unboxing of the AudioControl Maestro X9. This thing is a monster. It also has some other things that I didn't mention that kind of come without saying, like HDR. I think I mentioned Dolby Vision. Also has streaming, so you can do like AirPlay 2's built in. It has Chromecast, all that good stuff. It's a groundbreaking product, and I'm really happy to offer this to you guys. But you have to subscribe to the channel, because I'm gonna be sending this down to that home theater dude in Houston, Texas, and he's gonna be setting this up, running the Dirac live, giving you guys some hands-on experience as to how this thing performs. You know he has a killer Emotiva setup, but this is next level here. So we're gonna rip that out and put in the audio control, and he's gonna give you his thoughts. You know we like to put our hands on the product and, you know, not just talk the talk, but walk the walk, really let you guys know what we think about this product. And then we'll be doing some videos in clients' homes as well. We already have some people interested in it. So it's a really exciting product, and I'm happy to offer it to you guys. If you would like to purchase, make sure to reach out and show your support. We have nationwide free shipping and the lowest price guaranteed on all the products we sell. All right, guys, until next time, this is Zach with Dream Media Home Theater. Thank you for watching.